This is Jess from JessHuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet into the exposed front loops of a BLO or back loop only round. To start, identify the first stitch of your BLO round. Create a slip knot on your hook. Then insert your hook into the loop of that first stitch. Create a standing start by completing a single crochet. Next, single crochet in each loop around. If you used my tutorial on how to create a jogless BLO round, note that there will be a false loop between your starting and ending stitches. Do not crochet into this loop or your stitch count for the round will be off. If your pattern calls for more than one round, insert a stitch marker into the last stitch, then crochet into the first stitch of the round to begin round 2. If your pattern only calls for a single added round, at this point you can fasten off, tie the ends together, and hide them in your piece with a yarn needle.